kilometers an hour. Well, I can go 16 now. Anyways, you don't go like this, because Fanny McFlab. Okay, here, give me your stomach. And then it just looks like, oh, it hurts. It's like a pain. Trust me. Been there, done that. Anyways, you want to rock it lightly. Ready?
That was very lightly.
Wait, I was up and down. Oh, ready? 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 You turn it off!
I know, I had it on. Becca, keep videotaping. Oh, she is still videotaping.